Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. My name is Gina and today I have another Verano Hill unboxing for you. So Verano Hill has sent me a few more bags to try out and review. If you didn't see my last Verano Hill video, I unboxed 3 bags, one for my sister, one for my mom, and one for myself. And they're very cute bags. Verano Hill does a lot of promotions. They're a very affordable brand. They use both vegan and genuine leathers, and they have really unique novelty kind of shapes and bag styles. And I've taken a liking to some of the more like evening wear style bags and less of the everyday style bags or like everyday wear style bags, only because I don't want to spend a lot of money on a bag that I'm only going to use a few times a year. And so evening bags typically fit that bill. It's like occasionally you just need something to dress up with and then you don't have it in your bag. A lot of my bags are like daily driver, tote bags, shoulder bags that are just a little bit more casual and I can't really dress up for events. And so finding really good event bags for a good price, affordable price, not investing a lot of money in them, and hopefully they're good quality so they'll last quite a while, I think is a really good option. So that is basically spoiling the fact that I have 3 event bags I'm going to show you. Once again, I'm actually going to gift to my sister, gift to my mom, and gift to myself because I don't need 3 evening bags in my collection. But one of them I'm really, really thrilled to be adding because I have some weddings this year and I think they'd be great like wedding event bags. Okay, I've pulled my hair back so we know it's serious now. I am going to just pick one. I think I'll start with the one that I know I'm keeping. Verano Hill bags all come with these dust bags and this is like really bright blue. Not really my aesthetic, but it is actually very eye-catching, so useful for that. And so if you remember my last video or saw my last video, this bag silhouette will be very, very familiar. I'm gonna take this off so you can fully see. Okay, now that she's fully unboxed, you can see the bag. This is the Vienna bag. And if you saw the last video, you would have heard me call the brown, this like lighter brown color that I got for my sister, a milk dud. I love that bag. I already have told her that I will be borrowing that bag. So don't forget about me. But it comes with this really cute little foot, and this still reminds me of like a shoe shape almost. It's like a little heel. It's just very, very pretty. The bottom of the bag looks like this, so it's kind of like you have bag feet, but this will sit on a surface. And then it has this really high quality brass handle. It's just very heavy and hefty. It just feels very secure. And I just really like how architectural and unique this shape is. I got it in this color, which I think on the website they call it beige, but really it feels like a grayish. Like it's a little more cool tone gray to me. Which actually makes it a lot more versatile in my wardrobe if it's not like a very yellowy beige. So I like that a lot. I plan to wear it just like this as a little top handle because like I said, I think that I'm gonna wear this for different events this year. And just see, it came packaged with a little air pillow. And then it also comes with a crossbody strap. So it has the crossbody strap and it has this little pouch, which is very handy also. I don't think I need a pouch in a bag that is this small. Yeah, I don't really know why I would need it, but it's kind of nice, I guess, to have a little purse since there are no like pockets or anything. So if you have like really small things like bobby pins or lip gloss that you don't want in the bottom, I think that's probably useful. And then they have this little clasp so you can connect this cute little pouch to and have it all secure so it's not easy for it to fall out or for someone to try and take it out. So that's what this pouch looks like. And the zipper honestly isn't, okay, it got better. It wasn't looking like it was the best quality, but it's opening and closing just fine. Not as smooth as like other zippers I've experienced. And then the little crossbody strap, which is a pretty thin crossbody, but it is adjustable. So always appreciate that. There's only 3 adjustments, but I think that's pretty okay because you can then wear it on your shoulder or crossbody. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really love the hardware. Like if you look at the hardware in here, it just looks very well made and very just like it, I just keep thinking architectural. It's like very artsy. So this will be my artsy bag. I love the color. The Verano Hill bags do come with a little swatch of leather so you can test out cleaners and stuff beforehand and you know like, okay, this is the material it's made out of. And yeah, cute, right? I'm very excited. If you want to see head comparison, it's a little smaller than my head. So very, very cute. I'm very glad. Now my sister and I can match also and we can interchange our handbags. Okay, the next handbag is the one for my sister, I'm pretty sure. We will see. And this is called the Lucia bag. Ah, look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love this one too. Okay, this is a really beautiful East-West baguette style bag. It does not have any crossbody, it's only top handle. So you can see, here's the leather swatch again, but you can see this cute little top handle that just kind of pulls up like this or goes flat. So you can wear it as a clutch or as a top handle. Very cute, like this as well is what I kept envisioning, like very easy to hold around your hand. And what I really like about this one, I'm gonna take this little plastic protection off of the clasp. I really loved this feature. I think this is so elegant and so pretty. You turn the little lock and open it. And I just love a turn lock. I think it's super cute and it's very secure, which is nice when you're holding something like this. You don't want it just popping open and all your contents falling out. So really cute bag. It has some protection in here. On the inside, it just has one slip pocket in the back, and then that's it. It's a very small bag, so you're not gonna fit a lot in there, but you can fit your phone, you can fit pens, a little bit of makeup, your wallet most likely. I think it actually would fit a full-size wallet because it is long enough and it's pretty wide. So it's very cute, functional, elegant, and chic bag. The leather quality is very much questionable. It is 100% leather, and this swatch feels nice, but it does feel quite coated and not quite plasticky, but it doesn't smell like, well, this one actually does a little bit more. I think the next one, not as much. It does smell, this one does smell more like leather, but some of their leathers I found do smell a little bit more chemically and less like leather. So, you know, it's for a bag at this price point, you're not gonna get like the highest quality, but I do think that it's a pretty nice bag. Like the glazing is very clean. You're not finding like random threads or anything hanging off of the bag, so it doesn't feel cheap at all. So yeah, very cute little top handle. I love this bag. Oh my gosh, all right, we're just gonna have to share bags, me and my sister. At least then I don't have to store them at my house. But I really love this bag. I feel she can actually wear this less of an event bag, and she would be able to dress it up like for day to day. She's a little more chic in that way. And you might have guessed it, but the third bag that I requested was this one, the Luchia in brown. So it's the exact same bag, but in the brown, this beautiful chocolate brown, and it comes really well packaged, which I appreciate. Again, you have the little leather swatch. And then I'm gonna take actually I'll leave this one on. This one is for my mom. And when I saw this, I was like, I think this is just very her, and she's gonna love it because she always loves the kind of stuff that my sister loves. So open this one up, take out some of the packaging, take out the puffer, and it's the exact same bag. So you see the interior, the back slip pocket, and this is quite stiff, so it does keep its shape, but I don't see any curling back here when I open it, which is nice. Like I don't see like a lot of deformity in the leather, which you can find in flat bags sometimes, so that's great. I think the only thing that would have elevated this a little bit more is if it had feet on the bottom, but because it's such a little bag and it's not really gonna be, it's gonna be in your hand a lot of the time, I guess it's not like that big of a deal, but I think it would have just given it a little bit more polish. But yeah, I really love this color too. As you know, I am a big fan of a dark chocolatey brown, and this is the one that doesn't smell as, I don't know if it's from the packaging or it's really from the leather, but it doesn't smell as like leathery, the brown color. But the black one definitely does have more of a leather smell. So maybe it's something to do with how they've coated it. Maybe they used a different type of leather. I don't know, but here we go. The two side by side. Oh, the sisters, they're so beautiful. I love these bags. I'm actually now kind of regretting It's like, maybe I should give one of them this bag. No, actually they're all really beautiful. So yes, this concludes my Verano Hill unboxing. Very pleased with the quality of all of these bags, especially given the price. I think they are running another buy one, get one free bag promotion. And so that's going to be running pretty soon, hopefully around the time this video is going live. And that means you're getting 2 bags for under $200. I believe. So yeah, I'll have more details in the description box. If you have questions about the wear and tear on these bags or how the other bags, Verano Hill bags, are doing, I can definitely give you some updates in the comments about those. But yeah, very cute, very pretty, great for any events that you're planning on going to this, and like date night, actually. I totally forgot. This will be great for Valentine's Day, or not that we do nighttime things, but yeah, not with a toddler. But yeah, maybe for Valentine's or some other events that are coming up. Okay, anyway, I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.